Previously on Vlogmas. And each other Christmas gift because they're having a sleepover at my house. We're on our way to go ice skating at Discovery Green. But we're about to go take some pictures right now and maybe get some food. Hey guys, it's the next day and actually stopped like 2 days later. So I was like really sick to vlog, so I know. I feel better though, but I had like a really bad headache and I was just feeling very sluggish, so I didn't do anything yesterday. I didn't do anything yesterday. So today is Christmas Eve. It is December 24th and in the Unallow house we are going to be cooking. We're cooking a lot of food. We're gonna be making Christmas cookies and stuff like that, cornbread, and we're gonna be listening to some Christmas music and having fun, and I'm super excited. And yeah, I'm gonna vlog everything. It's gonna be so much fun. So yeah, let's do this. I know I look a little bit bummy, but that's fine. I'm in the midst of my family, so I can look bummy. So I'm at Kroger right now because I need to get some extra stuff to make the food. So we're gonna make a little quick stop at Kroger. So yeah, we're gonna go get some stuff. Alright guys, so I'm back at home and I can't even talk, but I'm back at home and my mom made dinner. I have some spaghetti, some chicken, and some Hawaiian bread, and I think the spaghetti has like some shrimp in it, but I'm gonna be eating. It's gonna be so good. So yeah, and I think that's what we're gonna do for the rest of the day. But yeah. Merry Christmas, guys. Happy holidays. I just want to say Merry Christmas to you and your family. For today in the Unallow household, we woke up, we ate breakfast, and then we had like a little church service, and then we were giving out gifts. So yeah, it was really nice. What did I get? I got AirPod case, candles from Bath and Body Works, a new bed sheet cover. What else? What else did I get? I got this Adidas fur coat hoodie for my brother. I got other stuff, I don't remember. But let me know down below if y'all want me to do what I got for Christmas. If y'all want me to do that type of stuff, if y'all like, nah, fam, I'm good, I don't want to see that, let me know. And I will do whatever you want me to do. But yeah, so I just got done finishing my hair. Looking cute and whatever, period. So we are going to be cooking food because we're gonna have dinner at like 3 or 4. So that is what we're gonna do. And yeah. All right, so we are gonna be making some wings. So we have some wings cut up here. My sister's cutting up some wings. And then we are gonna be, I think, baking them or frying them and making, let me show y'all. We got these mango habanero. These are the ones from actually like the Buffalo Wild Wing brand, and we love these. So we're gonna use these on top of the wing. It's gonna be so good. setup. So we have some mango habanero wings. We have some puff. And if y'all want the recipe for that, go to my Instagram. And there's some cornbread in here. We have some baked mac and cheese. Yes. We have some salad right here. What is in here? I think this is the bacon wrap asparagus. And then let me go on the other side. We got some African food. We couldn't leave that out. We got some stew. And we got some rice over here. Yes. Pretty good. Alright guys. So yeah, so we just finished eating food and I'm really tired, but it's like only 8 o'clock or something, but I am super tired. That food is gonna put me to sleep. Like, nobody even texts me tomorrow. I'm going to be fast asleep. So I just want to say that I am super grateful for this year, because this year is the year I started my YouTube channel, started taking Instagram more seriously, and I am so appreciative of everything, and I can't wait for next year. I'm super excited. I have so many stuff planned out, so many collaborations planned out. I'm super excited for that. And yeah, you guys, this is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlogmas. This is my last vlogmas. I just decided to end it on the 25th. I felt like it made no sense to go into next week. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Do not forget to subscribe. Come on guys, subscribe. Also, comment down below what video you guys want to see from me. And also, don't forget to post, don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you guys do know when I'm gonna upload. And don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. It is the same, Tumi and Elijah, for Instagram and Twitter. Y'all can also follow me on TikTok, Tumise_on-Elijah. And yeah, you guys, I love you guys so much. This whole vlog thing has been an experience. It has been an experience. Next year for sure I'm gonna do everyday vlog. I just felt like this year was not the right year for me to do it, because it was not gonna happen. But yeah, I just thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.